Hey, welcome back to the NoCodeMinute. Thanks for watching. Last time we set up the data for our grocery list. Did you notice how we have a list of grocery store items for our user? Why do we do this? If we were to just create a bunch of grocery store items and then not assign them to a user, it wouldn't really be best practice. It would sort of be like if I were to go to the store and gather up all of my groceries items for the week, put it in the cart, go up to the cash register, check out, pay, but only to leave with an empty bag, leaving all the groceries still at the store. The grocery items need to be assigned to me or put in my grocery bag at the end. Otherwise, you would just be creating a bunch of data and not assigning them anywhere. Okay, well, I hope that helps a little bit. Stay tuned for Making a Grocery List Part 4. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video and subscribe. Thanks.